We're here at EAA Oshkosh with Bob Kromer, who's the chief engineer of Blackhawk. Thanks for being with us, Bob.
Sure, my pleasure. Thank you. Good to be here.
It looks like you've got a new program here, so we'd like to chat about that a little bit. Your BC-12 here.
Right, exactly. Yeah, I changed jobs recently at Blackhawk, went from engineering and flight tests to new business development.
Okay.
And so that's my new position now. We have a great engineering team that's working on projects, but I'm certainly familiar with the programs and from a technical perspective. Our newest product is the Pilatus PC-12. We did market research, extensive research, and found that the owners and operators of the PC-12, the earlier versions, really desire more power, more engine power for both improved climb performance and improved cruise performance. And so that's what we're doing now.
Yep.
We're going to offer a new engine upgrade for the PC-12 community. We'll remove the stock PT6A Pratt & Whitney -67 Bravo engine, and we will install a Pratt PT6A-67 Papa engine. The Papa engine is more robust, internal temperatures are higher, provides more power, especially at altitude, makes PC-12 climb better and cruise faster.
Yeah. So that's basically the equivalent of what they've done with their NGX, is to put a bigger Pratt on and
exactly
have a little more power.
Exactly. And what we do is make that available power up to very high altitudes and very hot temperatures. So I think customers will really enjoy the increased climb and cruise. PC-12 operators with our engine upgrade will be able to operate all the time, anytime they want to, above 20,000 feet, even no matter how hot it is outside or how much the temperature is above standard.
Yep.
And they'll also enjoy about 20 knots increase in cruise speed. That's a significant boost in cruise performance. And PC-12, can't say enough great things about it. It's a marvelous design. As we've gotten to know the airplane technically and physically, it's extremely well built. The aerodynamics, the weight and balance, the structural aspects of the airplane are every one spot on. They did a wonderful job designing, developing, and certifying and producing the PC-12.
And I think the market's agreed. It's certainly been a very successful program for them. And I just talked to Tom Renell. They're looks like they're going to sell another 90 of them this year. So,
absolutely.
So they're moving out quite well. Very successful legacy program as well for you guys to look after. Just like the King Air was a great success.
Exactly.
For you folks.
We have a protocol and a formula that we use for obtaining supplemental type certificates. We call them STCs, for installing new engines and propellers and performance packages on airplanes. We've done it for 20 years. We make the changes. We provide a flight manual supplement with the changes so the pilot will know how to operate the new engine. Also, we'll be able to take advantage of the increased power and performance from approved charts in the flight manual. Great way for people who want more performance to obtain it in keeping their old airplane.
Now, particularly if you've got somebody coming up on a second engine overhaul that can be pretty expensive, that's probably the right time to make a move.
You know it is. There are two key points of time that are excellent for an engine upgrade from Blackhawk. A hot section inspection at 1,800 hours or a overhaul at 3,600 hours. You're going to spend this much money on your overhaul or hot section, you might as well spend a little bit more and get a new engine and new performance from Blackhawk. The second time to do an upgrade, believe it or not, is any time. You get good core credits if you turn your engine in with time remaining before TBO. You get core credits for that used engine. You get the new engine replacement. And you can obtain the extra performance and extra capability anytime you want. So it really is, any time is a good time. Obviously, the hot section and the overhauls drive most of our customers to look at us as a very viable alternative. But anytime a customer wants performance, anytime you want to go better, go climb better, cruise faster, you can do the upgrade.
What's the climb performance increase in the airplane with the new engine?
On the PC-12?
On the PC-12.
We're looking at it right now. We look at climb performance improvement as two things: timed climb and then the ability to get to altitudes above the weather. So it looks to us like about a 20% increase in en route and climb to altitude. 20% increase.
That's substantial.
That is a lot. People don't realize that 20% is a big boost. But the second thing is you've got the power. You're at 20,000 feet, clear above 23 or 24,000. In a stock PT6 powered Legacy PC12, you struggle to make that altitude, especially when you're heavy. With the DAX 67P engine, you go straight to 25, straight to 27,000 feet. You're above the weather in the smooth air, and the extra power got you there.
That's great. Well, thanks